Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report with the angels for November 8th through November 14th, 2021. My name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and angel healer, and I channel these messages from the angels to help you to manifest your goals faster, to accelerate the rate of manifestation using the magic of the angels, channeling the energy for this week. And the way it's going to work is I'm going to give you an overview of the energy for this week, and then we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead and choose which number or numbers you are most drawn to from the images shown here, and make sure to let me know which number you choose. The energy for this week is all about dreaming big. It's about the culmination of your greater vision. It's allowing your imagination to take hold and to dream bigger than you've ever dreamed before. Allow your imagination to run wild, because the energy right now is supporting you in expanding your purpose, expanding your potential, expanding your power. And there is so much opportunity for growth right now, for new levels of abundance and success to come through for you as we build up to the 11/11 energetic portal, which is one of the most important times of the year for manifestation, for amplifying your manifesting power, for working with the angels, for working with the universe, for working with your higher self and your soul to step more fully into your power, to align with your purpose and your goals, and to quantum leap. This is a time now to accelerate your path. Things are accelerating, and the energy right now supports you in doing this. So do not hold back. The angels are assuring you that you are fully guided and fully supported in allowing yourself to dream big, in achieving these big goals and dreams. If there's something that you truly, truly desire for your life, allow it to come through. Allow the emotion of that desire to come through. Connect with that desire, because that is your soul speaking to you. And even if you don't know how it's going to happen, or it seems like a crazy, wild dream, the angels want you to connect to that crazy, wild dream. That is the energy right now, is connecting to this higher vibration, to this pure creativity, this pure creation energy that's coming through to help you to manifest on a greater level than you have ever manifested before. It's a really exciting week. It's a really exciting time. And you do not want to miss out harnessing this 11/11 energy that is coming through. If any of you would like help with connecting with this energy, with harnessing this 11/11 energy, with working with the angels to use this energy for maximum benefit to amplify your manifestation, do not forget to check out the 11/11 energy activation with the angels taking place on November 11th, this Thursday. It's only $11 and there are only 15 spots left. So make sure to check that out. The link is below. I also have a free manifestation guide with the angels that helps you to connect with them and to work with the moon cycles and the angels to manifest your goals. So if you want that free guide and you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to check that out as well. Okay, so now let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this message comes to you from Archangel Zadkiel, who is letting you know that this is a time for heightened intuition, for major aha moments and insights to come through for you, for this clarity of vision to come through this week. So this is a time to take time out to connect, to have some meditation time, to have some quiet time, to journal, to connect with your higher self, to connect with your soul, to connect with your desires, your heart's true desires, and have some quiet time. This might even just be some time for extra rest, just time for yourself to connect, to hear the messages from your soul, to hear the guidance from your higher self and the angels that is coming through. It sometimes feels hard to take time out when you're really busy. I totally understand that, but they're saying that you will be rewarded exponentially for taking this time. So especially around 11/11 on that day, if you can, take some time to connect. This insight is going to come through, but it's coming through powerfully now and all throughout this week for you to have newfound clarity and insight for how to achieve your goals and dreams, what direction to take next, which is going to help propel you on your path. Archangel Zadkiel is also talking about making sure that you are paying attention to those intuitive nudges that are coming through, and to try not to get distracted or swayed by other people's thoughts, other people's opinions, other people's energy, and really come back to center and focus on those desires, those intuitive nudges that you're getting that are going to get stronger and stronger. And that is going to steer you in the right direction to achieve your big dreams. If you chose number 2, this message is coming to you from Archangel Michael, who is helping you to stand in your full power at this time. He is here supporting you and guiding you in expressing your truth. He's really talking about your truth. So what he means by that is like expressing your creativity, expressing your feelings, expressing your desires. We keep coming back to that, but your desires are so important, your true desires. And this creativity, your creative potential is being expanded at this time exponentially. So he wants you to look at this week, where are you not fully expressing your truth, maybe even to yourself? Where are you not fully expressing your truth in your own desires and admitting those to yourself? Where are you not expressing your truth maybe in your relationships fully? Where are you not expressing your truth in terms of your spiritual gifts, your intuitive gifts? You know, letting those gifts shine. Archangel Michael is letting you know that he is with you, he is guiding you, he is protecting you, he is helping you in feeling confident and comfortable in expressing your truth on a whole new level. This is your soul's truth. This is what you came here to do. This is your light shining through. This is your purpose. So let those creative ideas flow out and call upon Archangel Michael if you're feeling any resistance to expressing your truth. He is there helping you, guiding you, supporting you at this time. If you chose number 3, this message is coming to you from Archangel Gabriel, who is helping you to celebrate yourself at this time. He's letting you know this is a powerful time for you to celebrate your unique gifts, your unique energy and vibration, and to celebrate all of you and to honor yourself deeply. He's reminding you that you are an amazing, beautiful being of light and child of the universe, and it's time to fully honor this on a whole new level, to really celebrate and honor your differences that you have that make you uniquely you. This is what's going to accelerate your path to your goals and dreams. The 1111 energy that's coming through is helping you to stand in your full power, to stand in your full potential, and to do that and to access that. That requires you celebrating you and honoring you in every element, every aspect of yourself, every cell of your being. So he's talking about no longer hiding your light, no longer hiding your creative ideas, no longer hiding your spiritual gifts, no longer hiding your true desires, no longer hiding your big dreams, all that kind of stuff. Really owning this, celebrating this, letting go of worrying about what other people might think of you, letting go of worrying about what success means to other people, but knowing that you have your own vision of success, you have your own dreams and goals and desires, and these are worthy, these are valid, these are important to share with the world. So honor yourself, honor your light, let your light shine brighter and bigger than ever before. And Archangel Gabriel is helping you with this at this time, helping you to feel safe and confident in doing this. And he's helping to accelerate your path to call in your big goals and dreams. So those are your messages from this week. Don't forget to let me know which number you chose and how the messages resonated with you. I always love hearing from you guys. And make sure to check out the 1111 Energy Activation event taking place this Thursday. Remember to grab your spot for just $11 before the spots sell out. Wishing you an amazing week ahead, sending tons of blessings to you, and I'll see you guys back here next week.